Good morning. Today we're going to change brake light switch on a 2008 Cadillac DTS, and that sensor, it's right there, but we have to remove the accelerator, gas pedal, because the bolt is right there and it's behind this bracket, and this is on the way. So to start, it's this 7mm screws here, two. So let's take those out. Okay, now that part, you just pull it, get it from here and pull it. We'll pull out. Now this one here, you have a flat screwdriver or this needle nose pliers. Just pop this out. Or a flat screwdriver. I don't have the proper tool for this, but this is just to give us more room to work under here. See, this one, just pull it out of the way, and there it is. See, right here. So now let's remove this gas pedal, accelerator pedal, whatever you want to call it. So let's remove this because it's gonna be hard to get to this bolt here. So let's remove that. All right, as you can see, it's just 3 nuts here, so we already got them out. Remove it. Now bad boy is here. Let's see, where you at? Right there, right there. So let's take it out. Okay, the bolt broke off, see? But no problem, we'll get a new one. This is it right here, 2008 Cadillac DTS. So let's go get a new one. And that's all. This one basically goes right there. So let's go get a new one.